What is arithmetic progression, Panchami? What is arithmetic progression?
Ma'am, a series of numbers
which are arranged how the numbers are arranged in arithmetic progression. Shreya, already it is done, no?
Yes, ma'am.
What is arithmetic progression? How the
Ma'am,
numbers?
if a sequence maintains a constant difference, it is said arithmetic progression.
Very good. Okay, that is a list of numbers or sequence, the common difference between the numbers, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. Okay, what is it? See here, these are the list of numbers. These are not arranged randomly, right? No, they are arranged in a particular pattern or according to some rule, right? No, so what is the difference between each term? For example, 4 minus 2 is 2, or we are adding 2 to get the next number. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2. See, we are adding the constant number here. This constant number is called common difference, that is D, right? And 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. What is the first term called? It is A1. Second term is called A2. This is A3. And what is n term is called? Nth term is called?
AN.
AN. Very good. Okay. And I gave you the formula, right, Panchami? AN formula?
Yes, ma'am.
We discuss. What is the formula? Tell me, Panchami. AN is equal to. What is the relation between nth term, A, and common difference and number of terms in the progression?
Ma'am, A1 minus A2.
A2 minus A1 is difference, right? A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2. These are the differences, common difference we find between the numbers, right? Now, what is the formula of AN? See, by using all these D and A and AN, we have a formula, right? Shreya, tell me the formula. Shreya?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell
Ma'am,
me.
AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D.
Yes. Do you remember the formula, Panchami? Good, Shreya, very good. Right, good. Panchami, do you remember this?
Yes, ma'am. Got.
Okay, now you got it, right? See, this is the formula. The relation between A and this is the A last term. A is nothing but first term. N is number of terms. How many numbers are there in the sequence? D is nothing but common difference. Okay, now we'll do the sums on this. Second question is, you have to find the first 4 terms. Okay, you have to find the first 4 terms. A is given, that is 10. D is given. If you know A and D, you can write the next numbers, right? So what is the first term? 10 here. Difference is 10. So what will be the next number?
20, ma'am.
Yes, 20. What is the next number?
Ma'am, 30.
30, 40, so on. But while writing, you should write here A1 is equal to 10. What about A2? That is equal to, how to write this? A plus. What are we adding here? We are adding D, right now. So A3 is equal to, A3 is equal to A plus 2D. Right? then A4 is equal to A plus 3D. So we have A1 here and A2 is equal to A is 10 and D is also 10. So it is 20. Second term is 20. That is equal to A is 10 and 2 into D is 10. 10 plus 20, that is equal to 30. So like this here we get 40. So they're asking to find 4 terms. So 10, 20, 30, 40 are the first 4 terms. Second one. Yes, have you written? Shall I go for the next one? Second question. A is equal to -2 and D is equal to 0. So what will be the numbers if the common difference between the numbers is 0 means? What will you get? What will be the numbers? See, A1 is equal to -2. What is A2? A plus D, that is equal to -2 plus, it is 0. There is no common difference, that is -2. What is A3? A plus 2D. A is equal to -2. 2 into 0 is 0. So again, we are getting -2. So what will be the numbers? First term is -2. Second term is also -2. All the numbers are same. Got it? Next one. I will do fourth sum. A is equal to -1. D is equal to 1/2. Will you try this? Panchami and Shreya. Tell me the answer. So A2 is equal to -1 A plus D. Shreya, you know how to do addition and subtraction of fractions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, tell me the answer. -1 plus 1/2.
Ma'am, it is minus 1.5.
Okay, so tell me how will you simplify this? First, what is the first step here?
Ma'am, it's like 1/2. You have to bring it to decimal form, ma'am.
Okay, 0. You have written 0.5.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. See, 2. See, we have -2 plus 1, that is equal to -1/2. What is -1/2? That is our minus 0.5. Next, what is A3? Did you understand, Panchami?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me what is A3.
Ma'am, A plus 2D
A plus 2D, then
is equal to 0, ma'am.
-1, 0, you got 0. Okay,
Yes.
let us see. D is, yes, correct. Very good. So here you can cancel 2's, right? So you will get +1 -1, it is 0. Very good. What is A4? Tell me fast, Panchami and Shreya. Let me see who will tell the answer.
Ma'am,
A4.
it is 2.
-2.
-2, ma'am.
-2.
Okay, both are saying -2, right? Is it right? -2. Let me see. See, we have 2 denominator, right? No. So -2 plus 3. How did you get minus 2? It is 1 by 2. Right, no? It is 1 by 2. I will explain how to simplify this. See, A4 is equal to A plus 3D. What is A? Minus 1, no? Plus 3 into 1 by 2. So plus, see both of you listen carefully. If you keep this in decimal form, no problem. You will get 1.5, no? 1.5. Sorry, 1.5. So 1.5 minus 1 means you will get 0 0.5. 0.5 is nothing but 1 by 2, right? No. See, if you simplify the fraction, listen here, children. We have 1 and 2 in denominators, right? Write the 2 in denominator. That is LCM is 2, right? No. So I have written 2 in denominator. And now you have to make the denominator same. That means you have to make the denominators 2. Okay. So we have 2 is LCM. So you have to make them 2. In the first fraction, we have 1 in denominator, right? No. So to make it 2, you have to multiply by 2. So numerator also should be multiplied by 2. If you multiply the denominator, you should multiply the numerator also, right? No. So here in second fraction, we have 2. So no need to multiply A by any number. So multiply by 1. Got it? Did you understand the step?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
I will show 1 second. I'll give another example. For example, 5 by 10 plus 3 by 10. Okay. Now, what are the denominators? For example, if there is 1 by 5, 2 by 5, denominators are same. Then what will you do? You will write 5. You should not add the denominators, right? No, 5 as it is. 1 plus 2 is 3. If the denominators are same, you can add the numerators directly. 1 plus 2 is 3. I have written. But here, the denominators are different. So what you have to do? You have to take LCM for the denominators. Got it? Only in addition and subtraction. In multiplication and division, no need to take LCM. Okay, for example, I'll tell you. 1 by 2 into 3 by 5 means here no need to take LCM because we write directly 5 2s are 10, 3 1s are 3, right? No. So in case of addition and subtraction only, you have to take LCM. Now 5 and 10 are the denominators. So I will take divide by prime numbers only. So 5 ones, 5 twos, right? So you can stop here itself or you can divide by 2. So what is your LCM? LCM is 10, right? No, I will write them separately and teach you. So this is first fraction and this is second fraction. 2 by 5, 3 by 10. So you have to make the denominators 10. You have to get the same denominators right now. So we have 5 here. To make it 10, how much will you multiply to make it 10? You have to multiply by 2, right? 5 2s are 10. So by same number, you should multiply the numerator also. Got it? Now come to the second fraction. Already we have 10. So 10 is enough into 1. Did you understand this step? So what I was doing there, I was writing directly like this. For example, 10 is LCM. So we have 5 here. So to make it, I was writing like this. Right now. Like this. So now multiply these two. 2 into 2 is 4. 5 into 2 is 10. Plus 3 into 1 is 3. 10 into. So now the denominators are same. So you can add the numerator. 4 plus 3 is 7. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt in this? Shreya, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we'll solve the problem. Minus 1, no? Minus 1 plus 3 into 1 by 2. So minus 1 plus 3 by 2. So I will write 1 in denominator. Now what is LCM here? 2. Right now. So in the first fraction, denominator is 1. You have to make it 2. So I will multiply by 2. Multiply both numerator and denominator. You understood why I am writing 2 here, right? No? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now already we have 2 here. So multiply by 1. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 plus 3 into 1 is 3. What is minus 2 plus 3? Plus 3 minus 2, that is, big number has plus sign. So put plus sign, plus 1 by 2 or 1 by 2. Got it? So if you have any doubt, you can ask me, I will explain. Okay. Okay, will you do the fifth sum?
Yes,
A
ma'am.
is equal to minus 1.25 and D is equal to minus 0.25. See, you have D is minus, no? So use bracket and write children. Tell me what is A2. You got? What is A2?
Yes, ma'am. 1.50.
You should not say 50 right now. So how to read the decimals? 1.50. You should not say 50. 1.50. What about sign minus 1 point? Did you get Shreya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So use bracket here because you have minus sign. Minus 1.25 plus into minus is minus. So both are negative numbers. So add the numbers, put minus as it is. Minus 1.50. What about A3? Find fast, find it and tell me fast, children.
Ma'am, it is minus 1.75.
Very good. Minus 1.75. Good. And try to do yourself, children. Okay. It will be like a practice. Huh? Don't refer your notes or anything. Huh? Try to do yourself. So 2 into minus 0.25 is equal to minus 1.25 minus minus 1.75. What is A4?
Ma'am, minus 2.
Yes, minus 2. Very good. Panchami, you got minus 2?
Yes, ma'am. Got.
Very good. Next question. Okay, write the first terms. They have given the sequence. You have to find out A and D. Okay, and the series is 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, so on. So which is the first term here? We know 3 is the first term, right? Just write what are A and D. What is D here? A2 minus A1 is equal to A2 is 1, A1 is 3. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2. We are subtracting big number from small number. So it is minus 2, right? So if you want to check one more, minus 3 minus, see both are negative numbers. No, see what I am doing here. A4 minus A3, right? A4 is minus 3, put minus sign, use bracket and write. Minus into minus is plus, so that is minus 2. Right, children? And do the next sum. Minus 5, minus 1, 3 and 7. Tell me what is D fast?
Ma'am, minus 4.
Minus 4. Okay, let me see. What is your answer, Shreya? What is your answer, Shreya?
Sorry, ma'am, 4.
It is plus 4, right? No? Yes, don't confuse. It is 4. Shreya? Okay, I'll give you points. Okay. Panchami, Shreya. Yes, and what is A here? Minus 5. Okay. Then second one, sorry, third one. Third sum is 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3, so on. Tell me what is D. A is 1 by 3. You will write directly. What is D here?
Ma'am, 4 by 3.
4 by 3. Yes, denominators are same. So you can write directly 5 minus 1 is 4. Very good. Shreya, are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me the answers. Okay, for Panchami, I will give 1 point. Next question. Fourth one. Do it fast. 0.6, 1.7, 2.8. Tell me what is D?
Ma'am, it is 1.1.
1.1. Did you do the sum?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
0.1.
Not 1.1. Shreya is right. It is 1.1. Yes. Next. Okay. Now let us move on to the fourth question. Which of the following are APs? They have given the series. You have to check whether they are in arithmetic progression or not. So how to know that? Just by calculating the D, right? Now, if the common difference between the terms is same, constant, then we say they form AP, or otherwise no. First one, 2, 4, 8, 16, so on. Say yes
Ma'am,
or
I
no.
think first one is not in AP, ma'am.
Who is saying Shreya? Okay.
Because it
Because
does not maintain a sequence
very
with
good. So
common
4,
difference.
yes, 4 minus 2 is 2. And what about A3 minus A2? See, while solving the problem, you should write all these things, children. Don't write directly. Write A3 minus A2 is equal to 8 minus 4, it is 4. And what about A4? A4 minus A3, that is 16 minus 8, that is 8. See, we are getting 2, 4 and 8. The common difference is not same, so they are not forming an arithmetic progression. Next question. 2, 5 by 2.
Not sure.
Tell me, Panchami.
Ma'am, second one is also not in the AP.
Very good. Okay, I will check it. Have you written the question already? 7 by 2. So D is equal to 5 by 2 minus 2. Okay, how will you solve this? Tell me, Panchami. See, denominator, what is LCM here? 2. So what
LCM
shall I...
is 5 minus 2.
5 minus? Tell me what is 5 minus?
Ma'am, 5 minus 2.
Don't confuse Panchami. See, you are confusing. LCM is 2, no? Here we have 2 in denominator. So you will multiply by 1. 5 ones are 5. What about here in second fraction? We have 1. Right now. So you have to make it 2.
Minus 4.
What will you do? You will multiply by 2, no? So multiply the numerator also. Now you will get minus 4. That is 1 by 2. Right? Don't confuse. Okay, now you do the second one. 3 minus 5 by 2. So if you have any doubt, you should clarify there itself. Okay? Okay, now tell me what will you write here? In the first fraction, there is 1 in denominator. So,
ma'am, it will be 6 minus 5.
good. Okay. So, you have to make it 2. So, multiply by 2. 3 2s are 6. We have 2. So, 5. 1 by... Yes. Okay. So, you have to check one more. Okay. So, 7 by 2 minus 3. 2 is LCM. Now, tell me what are the numerators? What shall I write in the numerator? Panchami.
7 minus 6.
Very good. Now you got it, no? Yes, very good. 7 minus 6 is 1. What about Shreya? You got the answers? Shreya. Are you there, Shreya? Okay, next one. We'll do the fourth sum. Minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2. So on. Yes, what is D here? Find it fast and tell me. Shreya, 2 points. Panchami, 1. Okay, Shreya is chatting. Okay, log out and log in, Shreya. What is D, Panchami?
Is it 4.4? Ma'am, I think minus.
No. You did the third one, right? You did the third one. I have given fourth sum. Okay.
I'm sorry, right.
It's okay, no problem. Tell me, what did you get? Minus 2. Did you get minus 2 for that?
Which question, ma'am?
Third one, you said no points, decimals. How much did you?
4.4.
No, it's coming minus 2. Okay, I will show you that. Minus 1.2, comma, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2, so on. Okay, minus 3.2, minus 1.3, 1.2. Minus into minus becomes plus, right? No? You know all these rules, right?
Yes, ma'am, I know.
Good. Minus 3.2 plus 1.2. See, one is negative, one is positive. So you have to subtract. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Big number has minus sign. So it is minus. Minus 2 is the answer. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. Good.
So you will get D minus 2 for all the terms. Okay, so they are forming an AP. What about this one? Fourth sum, 10 minus 6 is 4. And what about A3 minus A2 is equal to minus 2 minus 6.
Ma'am, it's an AP form, ma'am.
Yes, we are getting 4 right. And 2 minus 2. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. The common difference is constant. So they are forming AP. Okay, I understood now, children. Okay, next one. Okay, fifth one. Three plus root 2. They have given search here. 3 plus 2 root 2. And 3 plus 3 root 2. What is D here? A is equal to 3. Find out D, children. A2 minus A1 is equal to 3 plus root 2 minus 3. So what is the answer? You can cancel plus 3 minus 3 gets cancelled. It is root 2. And find A3 minus...
AP form, ma'am.
Yes. A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus A2 is 3 plus, use brackets, children. Okay. Otherwise, you won't get the answers. 2 root 2, remove the bracket, minus 3 minus 2. So 3 gets cancelled. So root 2 and root 2 are both are same. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So we are getting root 2. So they are forming arithmetic progression. Next question is, so if you see the numbers, you can say directly, right? It's 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.222. What is the common difference between the numbers? So it will be 0.02. So the difference between these two is 0.002 and difference between these two is 0.0002. So D is not constant here. So series does not forms arithmetic progression. Next question. Do eighth problem. Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. What is common difference here?
Ma'am, 0.
Yes, 0. Very good.
0.
It forms arithmetic progression. Next, 1, 3, 9, 27. Yes. Three minus 1 is 2. 9 minus 3 is 6. 29.
Ma'am, it is not in
Yes.
sequence.
Yes, very good. Good. Previous Panchami answered. And what about Shreya? 3 or 4 marks? I forgot. Yes, next one. 10th one is a comma 2a, 3a, 4a, so on. What is 2a minus a?
Ma'am, it's in AP form.
Yes. 3a minus 2a is a. 4a minus 3a is a. So, common difference is same. Next question. A square, a cube, a to the power of 4, so on.
Ma'am, it's in AP form.
What it's forming AP na? Is it so? What is the common difference? A square minus a, right? No. So how will you simplify this? You will take common factor. What is common here? A is common. Take it outside the bracket. And what is remaining here? A minus. What is remaining here? We have taken outside, right? You know how to factorize the numbers like this? Panchami and Shreya, in algebra already you have done like this.
Yes, ma'am.
In factorization lesson. Yes, this is a into a minus 1. What about a to the power of 3 minus a square? So what is common here?
A square, ma'am.
A square is common. So how much is remaining here? A minus 1. Say here we have a minus 1, both are same, but we have a and a square, right? So they're not forming Panchami. They're not forming arithmetic progression. Got it? Next question. Root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. So A2 minus A1 is equal to, tell me Panchami, root 8 minus root 2.
Ma'am, it's not in AP form, ma'am.
Okay.
It will be root 6, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. How will you write this root 8? We can write it as 4 into 2, right? No. So, I will take out.
Ma'am, it is in AP form, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay,
we
what?
can take it as root 6 also.
Sorry, root?
Root 8 minus root 2, we can take it as root 6, ma'am.
Root 6. Okay, if you roots. No, you cannot take like that. Don't do like that, Panchami. See, we can multiply root 2 into root 8. You can multiply like this. But what about root 3 plus root 3? It is not root 6. We add the coefficients. Okay. See, 2 root 3 plus root 3 is 3 root 3. You should not add the numbers in the roots, square roots. Understood? See, that's why I'm bringing all to root 2's. Okay, same. That's why I'm writing like this. Okay. So root 8 can be written as 4 2's are 8. No. Now, what is the square root of 4?
2, ma'am.
2. 2 root 2 minus root 2. Panchami, are you getting? Now you can see root 2 are same. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Root 2 is the answer. Got it? Now, A3 minus A2. Root 18 minus, see how can you write root 18? Root 18 can be written as 9 2's
9
are
into
8.
2, ma'am.
Yes, 9 into 2. So what is square root of 9? It is 3, right?
3.
Take it outside. 3 root 2 minus, so it will be, shall I write directly? Root 8, here I have written, no? 2 root 2. So what is 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2? Did you understand, Panchami?
Ma'am, it is root 2, ma'am.
Yes, root 2. Panchami, are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You should not add 2 plus 2 is 4. We are adding the coefficients. Okay. So to root 2. And how can you write 32 minus root 18? So root 18, we have written here 3 root 2. What about here? 16 2s are 32, right? So 16 is 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2, that is equal to root 2. So common difference is same. So their given series forms arithmetic progression. Will you do the remaining 2 sums for homework, children? You have only 2 sums, 14
Yes,
and 15. Okay. Panchami, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Because for Shreya, it is done already in the school. I think she is understanding well, right, Shreya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, 5.2. So they have given some terms here. A is given 7. D is given, it is 3. N is given 8. And you have to find out AN. What is the formula? AN is equal to A plus
A plus N minus 1
minus
into
1
D.
into D. So you have to find out AN. So that means nth term, right? No, last term or nth term. Substitute the values. A is 7. N is given, right? No, just write 8 minus 1 into D. What is D here? Write 3. Okay. So 7 plus
Ma'am, AN is 28, ma'am.
28. Okay, very good. 8 minus 1 is 7 into 3. That is equal to 7 plus 7 3s are 21 is equal to 28. So nth term is equal to 28. Next question. A is equal to minus 18. D is not given, children. And N is given, it is 10. AN is equal to 0. So AN is equal to, Panchami, tell me the answer. N minus 1 into D. Just write what is given, you substitute in their respective places. AN is given, right? It is 0. A is given minus 18. N is given, it is 10. Minus 1.
It's 0, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, the difference?
Is 0, na?
Yes.
Okay. Let me check. So 0 is equal to minus 18 plus 10 minus 1 is 90. See, while transposing the terms, you should be careful, children. Okay. I have explained in the bridge course, right? When it goes to numerator, when it comes to numerator, when you have to change the signs, everything I have explained. I think you know the concept. So now, where does it go minus 18? You have to shift it into left-hand side. What happens? Keep 90 as it is in the right-hand side. I'm going to shift this. Okay. What happens? When I transpose minus 18 to left-hand side, what happens? What it becomes?
Ma'am, it becomes plus 8, ma'am.
Very good. Minus 18 becomes plus 18. Understood? See, there is plus here. There is plus between the numbers, right? No. So, and now we have to find out D. So, which sign you have between the number and the variable? We have multiplication sign. So I'm going to transpose this 9 to left hand side. So where does it go? Here we are multiplying, right? Where does it go? Shreya?
And it becomes 18 by 9, ma'am.
Yes, by 9. Are you there, Shreya? 18 by 9.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, here we are multiplying 9 into D right now. So it comes to, here we are dividing. It comes to denominator. So D is equal to 2. So common difference is equal to 2. Next question. It is given in the table, children. A is not given. You have to find it. D is equal to minus 3. Tell me what is A? Tell me first. N is equal to 18. AN is equal to minus 5. A plus N minus 1 into D. Do the sum and tell me.
Ma'am, it is 46.
46. Very good. Panchami.
Ma'am got the same answer.
Got the answer? Very good. Okay, shall I do or no need to do the sum? Shall I explain or not?
No need, ma'am.
No need. Okay. You know to transpose the numbers, no? So A is question mark. Here you will get the number right. So you will shift it into the left hand side. 18 minus 1 is 7. D is minus 3. This is minus 5. So it is minus 51 plus 51. So is equal to 46. Yes, correct. Next question is fourth one. A is given minus 18.9 and D is given it is 2.5. N is equal to question mark and AN is equal to, do the last sum, children. Okay. Already it is 54. Okay, find N. Tell me fast.
Ma'am, N is 10, ma'am.
N. Okay. N minus 1 is equal to 2.5.
Yes, ma'am, it's 10 now.
Okay. Yes, 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, children, you have only one sum, fifth sum. Okay, you do that at home. Okay, we'll continue in the next class. Okay, So don't refer any book. It is okay. So try to do yourself. Okay. See, 10th mathematics is very easy compared to 9th, right? No? Are you feeling it is easy? Are you not feeling?
Yes, ma'am.
It is very easy. Okay. So all the chapters are very easy and try to learn all, each and every sum. Okay. Okay, children, we'll wind up the class.